Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channels Success Mind Digital. Hey, main problem is that are you struggling for earn money from online and you have choose many methods and platform for making money online, but you could not earn money. So, so friends, I will show you, my dear friends, with a simple way how to make money online. But wait before it. Firstly, who am I? So, I am an affiliate marketer from India and I have started affiliate marketing uh, since November 2010, and I am earning money from online. But how have I earned money online? So, which programs, affiliate programs, and products helped me earn money online? I will show you everything, and I will help you. It's my promise. So I will show you which program, affiliate product, and gurus help me earn money online. Let's start. Hello friends, this affiliate program is a changed my life. So this is a totally free, 100% free online workshop. The beginner friendly 3-step blueprint of a student used to generate as much as $10,000 to their very fast month. So they are giving to you, and they are giving to you get free training plus two bonuses worth $237. It's a very genuine, and they are giving to you. It's required 0% investment, only 30 minutes worth. Means you have to work only 30 minutes per day. So it's a very genuine things, genuine products change my life. And this is my guru, John Cristani. John Cristani is a seven figure affiliate marketer. He is a very genuine, very humble guys, and he is very great. So you can join it free and click here to attend now. And this is a totally free online workshop. So go there and tap here to attend now and get free training plus two bonuses worth $237. I will show you more in another video. So thanks for watching this video.